TTP creates new products and new technologies for our clients across the healthcare, communications, consumer and industrial space.
TTP had created this novel micropump and we were looking for new applications of this, new products that we could take this into. Looking at the medical space where there's demand for more portable products, perhaps products that you can clip on your belt rather than having to wear over your shoulder, or products that enable you to get out of hospital and to carry on your daily life rather than staying in a bed in hospital. We identified an American company that we took the technology to and very soon started work with to engineer disc pump into a portable medical therapy device.
Disc pump is formed broadly of three main components. The valve is the one which requires the most assembly. It involves a stack of etched layers which are assembled and then aligned and then welded together. The second component is the actuator, so that's the piezo and steel disc which sort of provides the drive force for the pump. And then the third component is a simple kind of moulded base. The pump is then assembled by essentially gluing the valve into the base and then gluing the actuator onto a membrane and welding it onto the cavity.
Physics is a vital part of our business. We are pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve, and that requires a deep understanding of the limitations of physics, but also what it can do. And it's important that we understand that so we can deploy it in developing new products.
You often see people with devices that they develop where they've made 1 or 10 and they feel they've done most of the work. Actually, they may have had most of the inspiration, but most of the work is still left to do. It's about converting from that 1 to 10 level to being able to produce the tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands. And that's where I think TTP actually is quite unique, because we have both the ability to have these creative ideas in the first place and to create genuinely new technology, but also the ability to go through those later stages and turn it into a commercially realised, value-generating product. To see it coming off the production line is fantastic. TTP, we're a company full of scientists and engineers, and I think most scientists and engineers are in it because they enjoy making things and seeing things happen. And I think there's nothing more satisfying really than taking a technology that you've helped to create and develop and actually seeing it being manufactured in volume, and beyond that, to seeing it being used in a product that affects people's lives in a positive way.
Traditionally, manufacturing of high-volume products would translate to the Far East, but with highly automated manufacturing, such as we use for disc pump, it's possible to retain manufacturing in the UK and retain the skills and the value inside the UK market. And we're very keen